5 advices here. ዒሽ ማ ሽእት فإنك ميت. Live as you will, but know that one day you're going to die. وَاحْبِبْ مَا شِئْتَ فَإِنَّكَ مُفَارِقُ. Love whom you will, but know that one day you will be separated from that person. وَاعْمَلْ مَا شِئْتَ فَإِنَّكَ مَجْزِيٌّ بِهِ. Do as you will, and know that you will be compensated and rewarded accordingly. The compensation is in the hereafter. Meaning what? Everything comes in the hereafter. All the reward comes in the hereafter. وَاعْلَمْ أَنَّ شَرَفَ الْمُؤْمِنِ قِيَامُهُ بِاللَّيْلِ. Know that the nobility of the believer is his standing up in prayer at night. وَعِزَّهُ. And as for his dignity, اسْتِغْنَاؤُهُ عَنِ النَّاسِ. It's his being independent of people. Financially, emotionally, mentally, physically. Your izzah, your dignity as a person is try not to be dependent on people. Try to absolve yourself of needing people in any way whatsoever.